Softly notice the beauty around you. Calm lives in simple observation. Softly notice the beauty around you. Not the loud kind that demands your attention, but a quiet, tender moments that gently ask to be felt. The warmth of light brushing against your skin, the hush between passing sounds, the way the world continues, even in stillness. Let yourself slow down enough to truly see it. There is no need to analyze, no need to name or understand. Just observe. Let your eyes linger a little longer. Let your breath deepen without force. Allow each small detail to unfold naturally before you, just as it is. You might notice how even the simplest things carry a quiet kind of wonder. The texture of a surface beneath your fingertips, the rhythm of your own breathing, the subtle shifts in light and shadow as time moves forward, moment by moment. And as you continue to notice, something begins to soften within you. The urgency fades, the noise quiets, the constant pull to do, to fix, to figure everything out gently loosens its grip. In its place, there is space. Space to feel, space to rest. Let your gaze soften, let your thoughts slow, and in this quiet noticing, feel your heart settle, held by the simplicity of the present moment. Because calm isn't something you find, it's something you remember through simple observation.